The rear quarter panel install is going about how I expected it to go. The finish on the quarter panels is about the same as the front fenders. Fitment is pretty good. These were actually supposed to be bonded onto the body, but I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do some brackets behind the panel that are going to be welded onto the body. Just cut 1-inch strips of 18 gauge, bend them into that shape there. They'll get welded onto the body like that and sit behind the quarter panels in 6 locations, right down the top and then along the front. The corners and the back, those actually sit flat against the body, so I won't need the brackets there. As far as the design goes, I actually like the design a lot better than the front. So on the front, you know, I was discussing the widest part of the flare was behind the tire, creating like a parachute effect right here for air to catch. The quarter panels, the widest part of the flare is forward of the tire, which is great because now it's going to want to send the air around the tire instead of catching right here. As far as trimming, I did have to do some trimming, shaving to the top to get this line even from the window down to the quarter panel. Before it was tighter back here. And then along the door, you know, I had to shave this top portion because you know, it wasn't even all the way. And since it's not being bonded on, you're gonna see this line here. I just want it to look, you know, correct, straight, like it was supposed to be there. And then at the back, you can see how it's flat against the body. The way they're shipped, and the way I've seen them on some other cars, you have this piece back here. I don't like that there because it actually, you know, brings it out here, and it's just an odd looking piece of the fender or the quarter panel. I don't know why it's there. I'm thinking it was to keep this pulled out and maintain the flare. This is what it looks like with all of the brackets and the inserts installed. So the brackets get welded on with the insert in it. And then you can see where I didn't need the brackets, all along the back and that top front corner. These again, those are the old fender flare that I had on there. I finished up with the rear quarter panels. I'm pretty happy with the fitment. You know, still not happy with the finish, but you know, the fitment actually turned out pretty well. With the fuel filler, I ended up going with a filler from ATL. I didn't go with the factory door. I think this looks pretty cool that way. So, but all together, I did spend about probably 40 hours total to get these things to fit the way they do, which was expected for the quarter panels.